Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we are looking at this Cambridge assessment. This is checkpoint lower secondary. That's for JS3. That's junior secondary. Let's look at how we can handle this question. First question here, we are asked to expand and simplify bracket open c plus 4 close the bracket open c plus 10 close the bracket. Let's look at how we can expand this expression and simplify. Let's write down the solution here. That's the first thing to do. Let me teach you the simplest way on how to expand this expression. We pick the first term here, which is c. We multiply it by the entire this bracket, which is c plus 10. We close the bracket. We pick the next term, which is plus 4. That will be plus 4 multiplied by the entire bracket here, which is c plus 10. The next thing to do is to clear the bracket. C times c, of course, is c squared plus c times 10, that's 10c plus 4 times c, that's 4c plus 4 times 10, that's 40. The next thing for us to do is to simplify. We have expanded this now. The next thing is to simplify. To simplify now will be c squared plus 10c plus 4c, that will be 14c plus 40. So this will be both the simplification and the expansion of this expression. So we have c squared plus 14c plus 10 plus 40. That is the solution to number 1. Question number 2, we are asked to draw a line to match each calculation to its answer. One has been done for you. They have done one for us. It means 0.5 divided by 10 power 2 is the same as 0.05. So we have to do this first one, the second one, and the third one. Very important. Let's move here to analyze that. Let's say we want to solve this first one. We have 5 times 10 power minus 1. What will be the solution? There are many ways we can approach this question. We can write this as 5 times 1 divided by 10 power 1. They mean the same thing, using negative law of indices now. So this will be 5 divided by 10 power 1 means 10. So we divide this. We can either use our long division to get the solution. So we divide 5 by 10. 10 into 5 cannot, we put 0 here, we put point here. Immediately we are putting this point, we add 0. Then 10 into 50, of course, will be 5. So it means this first one is nothing but 0.5. Then let's see which one will match to. The meaning will match this first one to this 0.5. We're through with the first one. Let's move to the second one. We have 0. The second one now is 0.05 times 10 power 4. First, we change this to scientific notation or standard form. So this is 0.05. Then we shift this point 1, 2. That will be 5 times 10 raised power minus 2. When we move from the left to the right, the power will be negative. This is now in scientific notation. This is in ordinary form. This is in scientific notation or standard form. Times what? Times 10 power 4. So this is the same as 5 times, the base are the same here. We apply multiplication law of indices. We pick one of the base. Since we are multiplying, we add the power. That will be minus 2 plus what? 4. This will now be 5 times 10 minus 2 plus 4. Of course, it will be 2. So we check 5 times 10 raised power 2. 5 times 10 raised power 2 is the same as, this is now in standard form. Let's express this in ordinary form. This will be 5 times 10 power 2 means 10 times 10, which is 100. And this will give us 500. That's 5 times 100 is 500. We check. Why do we have 500? We match it to this one. We just have only one, which is this third one. Let's work on that as well. We have 5. We have 5 divided by 10 power minus 3. Very important. So we can write this as, we can write this as 5 uh, divided by 10 power minus 3. Very important. Okay. So there are many ways we can express this. Now this is the center as 5 uh, divided by, we can say, divided by 1 divided by power 3. That's 10 power 3. Okay, using negative law now, because if you have 10 power minus 3 is the same thing as 1 divided by 10 power 3. Okay, using negative law of indices now. Very important. Okay, this is not the same thing as 5 divided by 1 divided by 10 power 3. Very important. Okay, we can write this as 5 divided by 1 power 10 power, that's 10 power 3, and this is the same thing as 5 times 10 power 3. We change this division to multiplication, we have to invert this. So this will be 5 times 10 power 3 means 1000. Then 5 times 1000, of course, this will be 5000. So the last one will match it to this. So this will be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.